Okay, this is going to be a tutorial on the flashlight duplication glitch that lets you skip a few cutscenes in Chapter 1. Basically how it works is you get this tutorial called Restore Health when you pick up the flashlight. What happens is you picked up the health pack and then you press Q and then you can't move until the flashlight gets picked up. And as you can see it up there. The flashlight actually duplicates just by opening up that tutorial and playing it again. And it actually moves your camera. Like you'll see if I move down, my camera snaps back up, and I actually pick up the flashlight again, and you can do that over and over again. So the way we're gonna do the glitch is by picking up the flashlight while we're in another animation, and it'll cancel it. So in game time, the fastest way to open up the tutorials would be to pause, go to tutorials, open it, scroll down to restore health. You can also get to this by pressing L to get to the database and then pressing right, scrolling down. I'll show the in-game time method since that'll be faster. So after doing table boost, coming around here, you'd open the door, pull up the tutorial, open restore health. You can keep moving while you're doing this as well, but as soon as you open restore health, you can run. I should note that so you press Q to get rid of this part, then press either E or whatever your activate button is. Note that you can push them at the same time, or you can press Q ahead of time and then just press E whenever you want. I'll show you here. So as soon as I go into that cutscene, I press E and it cancels it. So now I'm going to open up the tutorial again, get in the vent. This time you want to make sure that you can press Q at any time after you're in the vent, or you can just wait until you want to activate it. But make sure you don't press Q before getting in the vent, because you need to press E to interact to get in the vent in the first place, and then you'll have already picked up the flashlight. So for the second part, you want to just wait until you start falling and then activate it. Like that. So notice Isaac stands up. The camera kind of freaks out a little bit. I'm moving my mouse, nothing's happening. The camera will keep doing this until you checkpoint restart. If you do want to continue like this, just remember you can aim to move the camera. What I would recommend is as soon as you land, just take a few steps forward to hit the checkpoint restart. That'll reset everything to normal, and then you can grab Kinesis. And those are the two cutscene skips that we found so far that are useful for the run. There is a skip for the plasma cutter cutscene as well, but I'll just show this off real quick. If you do the glitch after picking up Kinesis, as far as we know right now of the making of this video, it disables your ability to use Kinesis, which would be a soft lock. So you can see I have Kinesis, but if I do this, I can no longer use Kinesis, which again is a soft lock since you need it to beat the game. But yeah, that is the tutorial on how to do the first two cutscene skips that we found.